What is going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Rob, and today we're going to be installing the Vertex steering wheel with the 949 spacer in the GR86. Okay, now that we got the car in the garage, first things first, disconnect the battery. Second thing you want to do is to pull the steering wheel forward, which mine already is. That's why I'm adding the spacer, and then lift it up. Lock it into place. Get yourself a small flathead screwdriver, and we're gonna try to pull off these little access covers or little panels on each side of the steering wheel. So there's a small little clip. It's hard for it to zoom in, but as soon as you push that up, you actually see how the airbag is starting to pop out now. You're gonna do the same on the other side. So the last one is up here. You wanna push it and catch the airbag if it pops out. So now just carefully pull it. You're gonna have three basically wires. Lift up on these clips here. And then pull this one out. So this is kind of what it looks like. That little clip there, those two plugs, and that's your airbag. Alright, so now I kind of want to show you. These were the things that I was trying to push in. So we got one here, two, and then you got your third one here at the bottom. Next thing we're gonna do, unscrew. So take your 17. If you got an impact, use that, because I don't want to turn the wheel a whole lot. I've already loosened this, but I'm basically just kind of showing you. Loosen that up. We don't want to remove the whole nut though, because what's going to happen when you start to yank this thing and it comes loose, it's going to hit you in the face. So I'm just going to tap it. And there you go. Okay, now that we have the steering wheel out, let's compare. So now we're going to talk about the actual spacer. So basically, you're going to screw it back in like this. You take the 6 Allen bolts that it came with. I believe you're just going to flip this over, screw that in, and then the new steering wheel will thread onto here. So you have this little mark on top of it. You want that pointing up. The spacer is put on. Just make sure everything is straight up and down the way you took the steering wheel out. I believe this is like 28 or 30 foot-pounds. That's kind of how it should look. Now that the spacer is installed, we're gonna come over here. I've already started to loosen some of the hardware up to get the cruise control out of here. Once that's out of here, we're gonna flip the steering wheel over and pull this back cover off. Really make your way around. It basically just pulls out. You have 2 clips on the bottom of the steering wheel. Press those out, and then you wanna push these dowel pins on the back. And for the final part now, we need to remove these clips on the back. They just literally, you lift up with your nail and slide them out. And now in reverse fashion, just start assembling the steering wheel. Now that we have the steering wheel all assembled, we're gonna go with the extension, the harness extension, now with the spacer, which plugs in here and then plugs into this harness up here. There's actually a 3/4 or a 19mm to put it on. Now time to shove the airbag in. I'll just double check I can't pull it out. And then put your little covers back on. Alright, wish me luck. Just for now to see. We still gotta tighten it up, but alright, hopefully no lights. Oh, and the airbag light went off, so looks like we're good to go.